Today we're going to be doing exercises 3 and 4. So we'll go ahead and open SolidWorks. We want to start a new part. And we're going to want to create this. We use the front plane and we're going to use millimeters. So let's go front plane, sketch, sketch. And this is going to be pretty quick and pretty simple. Create one line, line up, line over, line down. Oops, edit undo. We don't want to lock it into a midpoint, so we'll put it here and then do all the line over and straight down. And we're going to smart dimension it. 85 millimeters. $65 millimeters. $50 millimeters. $40 millimeters. And extrude it 20 millimeters. And there's our part all done. Then we're going to do save it as exercise 3. Make a drawing from the part. Pick the first one up here, hit OK. Drag this one looks good. Drag it over there. All right, A note, put our name right here. Hit OK. If we want, we can come over here and fill in the box. Hit OK. And then file, print it out, and hand it in. Now we're going to do exercise 4. We're going to do new part. I'm going to make this another simple one. Front plane. Sketch, line, up, down, smart dimension it. This is going to be in inches. 3 inches. So we're going to come over here into our tools, options, document properties, units, inches, hit OK. 0.75 inches. Two inches. Zero 0.75 inches. And then we're going to extrude it. One inch. And there you go. You got your part. File, save as. Exercise 4. File, make drawing from part. What? First one. This one looks nice. Drag it over. Put our name here. And hand it in. And that's exercises 3 and 4. All done.